then we have the front. So this is kind of a fun spot to sit. You got cup holders on both sides. Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Want to walk you through this 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation. So a 23-foot pontoon, or tri-toon I should say, so it does have the 3 tubes. This particular one does have the nice pontoon guard on it already, so that's kind of nice to have. We'll start here with the coloring. So this is the graphite fencing on the side with this nice black mat on the railing as an accent. And then we have the black bimini as well to match. As we come to the back of the pontoon here, you'll see they have a really nice ski tow bar. It's nice and high, so any tubing or skiing, you just hook it up right there. It's nice and strong. You can pull a couple different tubes. It's great. We got the engine. This is the outboard, obviously. This is the Mercury 4-stroke, 6-cylinder, 200 horsepower. You can see it has the stainless steel prop. Plenty of power to do your skiing and any sort of water sports that you're going to need. So lots to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, well, welcome aboard. This is, again, the 230 Sunsation. So this is called the RL, or rear lounger layout. This can be moved in a bunch of different ways. Right now, obviously, you can see this is all the way down. This can come back up. This can be pulled back down here. You got a full bed. There's just a bunch of different things. I can lift this part up, whatever you want to do. It's really something that you can put it the way you would like to have it. So if you're out hanging out with an anchor and just having fun with the friends and family, it's a great place to lay. So, all right, let's take a look at what else we got here. We got the dual captain's chairs. Both of these chairs have armrests that fold up and down. They do spin, and then on the helm side, it is a raised helm, so the driver does get to get up just a little bit higher if there's any passengers in front of them. So up at the helm itself, we can take a look here. We got the nice Lowrance hook. So this is going to give you some GPS stuff. It also gives you a little bit of a fish finder in there. And then our miles per hour, RPM. This does have RGB lighting, so there's a bunch of different lighting packages you can have with interior in the pontoon. Kind of fun to play with those colors. We got the stereo system, so we had the Clarion head unit, and we got speakers all over the pontoon as well. This is obviously something you can do Bluetooth with, and then you can plug it in as well. So like I said, this is a 200 Mercury on here with throttles on this side. It's a lot of fun to drive these if you're pulling skiers, tubers, or just cruising around. So wanted to actually show you this too on the side here. It's a great place. It's for the garbage can, so you just open that up, throw your garbage in there, and then you actually have access to it right here to empty it. We got storage in the floor if you need some skis or just anything else. It is a wet area, so anything you have that's wet can go down into there. And then we have the front, so this is kind of a fun spot to sit. You got cup holders on both sides. There's storage underneath both of these seats. They just kind of fold down just like that. And that is the 230 Sunsation. So again, 200 horsepower, 23 feet in length. This is a tri-toon. This boat is here at our Rogers location, so if you want to come and take a look at this, you can give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on by. County Road 81 here in Rogers. As always, click the like button for this video and then click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.